Mint Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator on T-Mobile's network, offering competitive prepaid plans with no contracts. Verizon is a major carrier that owns and operates its extensive network infrastructure. As of September 2025, Verizon provides superior 4G coverage reaching over 99% of the U.S. population. Mint Mobile has strong 5G coverage in urban areas, covering about 85% of the population with a growing rural presence. Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband covers 90% of the population, particularly in cities, using mmWave and C-band spectrum. Rural coverage remains challenging for both carriers due to high infrastructure costs. However, Verizon maintains an advantage through significant infrastructure investments supported by federal subsidies. Mint Mobile has improved its rural presence following T-Mobile's merger with Dish Network, which integrated additional spectrum and infrastructure. While both carriers report 99% uptime, real-world reliability varies by location. Verizon typically performs more consistently during adverse conditions, such as storms, due to its extensive infrastructure investments. In rural areas, Verizon generally demonstrates better 4G reliability, while Mint Mobile's 5G shines in areas with strong T-Mobile coverage. Actual speeds can vary significantly. For example, in a 2024 Montana case study, Verizon reached 4G speeds of 45 Mbps and 5G up to 150 Mbps, while Mint Mobile hit 30 Mbps on 4G and 120 Mbps on 5G. Mint further improved by 15% in 2025. Experts note Verizon's infrastructure advantages give it a rural edge. However, trends indicate Mint is catching up through satellite partnerships. FCC data 2025 shows Verizon covering 98% of the U.S. with 4G 5G versus T-Mobile's 95%. Ookla's Q2 2025 data shows Verizon with median 5G speeds of 220 Mbps and Mint at 190 Mbps. Rural broadband initiatives are closing coverage gaps. Verizon's fixed 5G is an emerging solution for isolated homes, while Mint leverages satellite add-ons. By 2027, rural speeds are expected to increase.